Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to sign out or log out of your Gmail mobile app on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel device, if you want to sign out of your Gmail account in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is select your user icon on the top right, select where it says Manage Accounts on this device. Go ahead and select your email account listed here. Select where it says Remove Account. Removing this account will delete any of its messages, contacts, and other data from the phone. Select Remove Account, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.